All of us want an Android device to look attractive while using. Now this is not possible with some simple steady wallpapers, so you need to go for some creative ones. I have found a solution for that, so let's quickly hit the intro and get started with the video. Now folks, for creating a live wallpaper, you need to download some GIFs. Why GIFs? Because GIFs have a repeated number of frames which is appropriate for live wallpaper. There are two ways to get some GIFs. Number one, you can download it from Google just by typing in GIFs in the search bar, and then when you'll hit the images section, you'll get a variety of GIFs available there. Choose one favorable to you and download it from there. Number two, you can make some of your own. Sounds difficult, right? But it's actually not. You just need to download this app called GIF Maker from the Play Store. This app will help you to convert your favorite video files or some images into GIF. To convert video, just hit this left option on your screen. Then select the video that you want to convert into GIF. After doing that, just adjust your video as you want it to appear on your home screen. You can change the speed of the video and crop your video. Doing stuff like that will help your video to look even better on your home screen. Now, after doing that, just hit the confirm option and make the fluency 20 fps. Then save the video. In a few seconds, your video will be converted as GIF. Now, after doing that, download this app called GIF Live Wallpaper. It will help you to convert your video or GIF into live wallpaper. Just tap this option on your top left corner and then select the GIF. Now, adjust the GIF as it comes in center of your screen. Then you'll be left with some blank spaces on top and bottom. So, select this pen icon and fill the spaces with some color. Once you have finished with the stuff, just adjust your speed of the video and then tap the tick mark. After doing that, just set it as wallpaper of your home screen. So now when you'll visit the home screen, you won't see a steady boring wallpaper. Instead, you'll have a live and attractive one. So you can now enjoy your total new experience of using your Android device. I'm signing off with this. If you like the video, just hit the like button. And before leaving, make sure you subscribe my channel if you're new to the channel and tap the bell icon for getting the latest notifications of my upcoming uploads. Thanks for watching.